Welcome back to our insurance series. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important topic, the difference between a tort and a no-fault insurance system in the USA. These are two different approaches to handling insurance claims and determining fault in accidents. So, let's dive in and explore the key differences between a tort system and a no-fault system. Tort system. The tort system is a traditional insurance system that is followed in many states in the USA. Here are some key features of the tort system. Fault-based system. Under the tort system, the determination of fault is crucial in insurance claims. When an accident occurs, one party is considered responsible for causing the accident, and that party's insurance company is responsible for paying the damages to the injured party. Compensation for damages. In a tort system, the injured party can seek compensation for various damages, including medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and property damage. However, the injured party needs to prove that the other party was at fault and caused their injuries. Litigation. In cases where the parties involved cannot reach a settlement, the injured party has the option to file a lawsuit and take the case to court. The court will then decide the amount of compensation based on the evidence presented. No-fault system. The no-fault system is followed in some states in the USA. Here are some key features of the no-fault system. No determination of fault. In a no-fault system, the focus is not on determining fault. Regardless of who caused the accident, each party's insurance company is responsible for covering the insured's damages up to a certain limit. Personal injury protection, PIP. In a no-fault system, each driver is required to carry personal injury protection, PIP, coverage. PIP covers medical expenses, lost wages, and other related expenses for the insured driver and their passengers, regardless of fault. Limited right to sue. In a no-fault system, there are limitations on the injured party's right to sue. In most cases, a lawsuit can only be filed if the injuries meet a certain threshold, such as severe injuries or significant medical expenses. Key differences. Now, let's summarize the key differences between a tort system and a no-fault system. Fault determination. In a tort system, fault is determined, and the responsible party's insurance company pays for damages. In a no-fault system, fault is not considered and each party's insurance company covers their insured's damages. Compensation process. In a tort system, the injured party seeks compensation for damages by proving fault and filing a lawsuit if necessary. In a no-fault system, compensation is obtained through the insured's own insurance company without the need to establish fault. Right to sue. In a tort system, injured parties have broader rights to sue for damages. In a no-fault system, there are limitations on the right to sue, and lawsuits are typically reserved for severe injuries or significant expenses. Conclusion. In conclusion, the tort and no-fault insurance systems in the USA differ in how they handle insurance claims and determine fault in accidents. The tort system relies on fault determination, with the responsible party's insurance company paying for damages. While the no-fault system focuses on providing compensation through each party's insurance company without the need to establish fault. Understanding the differences between these two systems is important when it comes to understanding how insurance claims are handled in different states.